Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can download Paylocity mobile app. Watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe our channel and tap notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now in order to download Paylocity app, head over to Play Store or App Store. After you enter the app, type in Paylocity. After that, tap on install button. As soon as you tap on install button, app will start to download. Your app has been downloaded. Now tap on open to open up your Paylocity app. Now you can get logged in to Paylocity from your mobile. Tap on sign in order to sign in to your account. If you don't have account yet, you can create it one by tapping on register user, and that's how you can download Paylocity app on your mobile phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.